Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make a QR code for free in Canva. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Hey there, welcome back to another tutorial video, and today I'm super excited to guide you through a quick and easy way to create QR codes using a tool you probably already love, Canva. Whether you're promoting your business, a project, or just want to add a touch of interactivity to your designs, I've got you covered. Now, what exactly is a QR code? Well, it's a machine-readable code consisting of an array of black and white squares, typically used for storing URLs or other informations that can be read by the camera on a smartphone. Essentially, it's a bridge between the physical and digital worlds. But why are QR codes so helpful? In a world where smartphones have become an extension of ourselves, QR codes have played a crucial role in bringing offline content to online platforms. They make tasks easier for the majority of the population to interact with brands, quickly access information, make payments, and much more. And that is the very reason why QR codes can be a game changer. So I'm just going to take you through it. It's going to be very simple and easy. I just want you to follow all my steps until the end, and I'm going to guide you through it all. By the end, you're going to know how to properly make a QR code for free in Canva. So without further delays, let's dive right in. So first things first, to navigate to Canva, you're gonna need to type in canva.com in your web browser. Once you do that, you'll be routed to the landing page of Canva. For those of you who haven't used Canva yet, I have a video on my channel on how to use Canva for beginners. You can check it out. I've covered the basics of Canva in that video, from design spotlight, business, education, plans and pricing, and lastly, the learn. So please check out the video, and I guarantee after watching it, you'll find Canva so easy to use. And going back to the topic, I want you to click the sign up for free button over here, and you can either continue with your Google account or continue another way. If you click continue another way, you will have a lot of options here on how you can easily log in with Canva. Feel free to choose over here, but for me personally, I'm going to log in with my Google account, and once you do the initial login, you will be routed into the homepage of Canva. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals and businesses to create a variety of visual content using templates, images, and other design elements. And once you familiarize everything over here, then we're gonna get into how we can create our QR code. So on the upper right side corner of the screen, you can just click the Create a Design button and start making it over here. Or you can type in QR code on the search bar, and what's gonna happen is it will give you a template for a QR code business card. But for now, we just want to make a normal QR code right now. So let's go back to the Create a Design, and I want you to click on Custom Size. And over here, I recommend to do a 500 by 500 for the dimensions. And once you're all set up from here, just click the Create a New Design button, and it's gonna take us to the editor of Canva. And over here, we have our blank page, and on the left side panel of the screen, we have the tools to maximize our content in this editor. We have the design, elements, text, brand, uploads, draw, projects, and apps. And this is exactly where we'll be able to make a QR code also. And so the first step that we're gonna do is to enable the QR code maker here in Canva. So I want you to click the apps, and on the search bar, just type in QR code. And I want you to click the very first option over here. And once you click that, as you can see, it says create colorful QR codes. And it also implies if you add a URL, they will create a QR code for us to add to our design. And that's basically what we're going to do. So just click the open button over here, and it will be added shortly into your shortcuts on the left side panel of your screen. So this is where we'll be pasting the URL that we're going to create a QR code for. Let me show you how quickly you can generate a QR code here in Canva. So I'm gonna move to my next tab, and what I'm gonna do is copy the URL for this video. Once it's copied, you can go back to Canva, and you can simply paste it over here. To generate the code, just click on this option over here, and boom, you will have your own QR code here in Canva in just a few very easy short steps. And click on Customize. This is where you can change the background color of your code or adjust the foreground. But for me personally, let's just stick with the classic QR code, which is just black and white. You can even play with the margin of your QR code. Lastly, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to stretch out the QR code until it fully covers the page. And once you're all set up from here, what you're going to need to do next is on the upper right corner of your screen, click share. And you're going to need to make sure that you have the file type as PNG. After that, just click the download button and it will download a proper PNG of the QR code that you just generated. Now you can even try pulling up your mobile phone, download a QR code scanner on it, and if you scan this QR code right, you'll be redirected to the YouTube video where I copied the URL, which is the video right here. So yeah, that's the basic of how you can create a QR code here in Canva. And now what I'm gonna do is go back to Canva and I'm gonna give you a quick example of how you can place the QR code on different things you'd like. So let's go back to the home page and under my recent design, why don't we try to upload a QR code into my book cover project here in Canva. So let's open this on a new tab and let's open this video as well. Just so you know that you can upload this QR code into videos as well. So once we have opened the things that we'd like to put the QR code into, the first thing that you're going to need to do is upload a QR code into your files here in Canva. So to do that, just click on Uploads and you're going to need to go to your downloads over here and you can simply grab and drag the file over here and it will be added shortly into your Canva. And once it's uploaded, just simply click on it and it will be added into your projects. And now you can resize it and how big or small you want it to appear into your projects. For me, I'm just going to make it small because even if you have a small QR code, it can still be scanned if you just do it right. And I'm just going to place it over here. Perfect. So now I have just added a QR code into my book cover in Canva. So what's going to happen next is when I print this book cover, it will have a QR code where my customers can scan it. And let's assume that I have the book's website URL on that code. So once they scan it, it will redirect them to my website on the specific QR code that I place here in my book cover. So moving on, for the video over here, it's the same process. Just go to your uploads. And if you don't have it here, you can go to your downloads and simply grab and drag the file over here. Since I already have it here, I'm just going to click on it. And once again, you can resize the code and place it wherever you want to. But for me, I'm just going to place it over here. And in that easy step, I've just added a QR code to my video. And now let's try to watch the video. As you have watched the video, the QR code appeared into my video. That way, my audience can scan the QR code and they will be directed to the website that I have put in my QR code. And with that, it brings us to the end of this video. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions, just comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.